On January 22, 1973, the Supreme Court issued a 7-2 decision holding that the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment to the United States Constitution provides a fundamental right to privacy, which protects a pregnant woman's right to an abortion. But the court also held that the right to abortion is not absolute and must be balanced against the government's interests in protecting women's health and prenatal life. The court resolved these competing interests by announcing a trimester timetable to govern all abortion regulations in the United States. During the first trimester, governments could not regulate abortion at all, except to require that abortions be performed by a licensed physician. During the second trimester, governments could regulate the abortion procedure, but only for the purpose of protecting maternal health and not for protecting fetal life. After viability, which includes the third trimester of pregnancy and the last few weeks of the second trimester, abortions could be regulated and even prohibited. But only if the laws provided exceptions for abortions necessary to save the life, or health, of the mother. The court also classified the right to abortion as fundamental, which required courts to evaluate challenged abortion laws under the strict scrutiny standard, the most stringent level of judicial review in the United States. The Supreme Court's decision in Roe was among the most controversial in U.S. history. Anti-abortion politicians and activists sought for decades to overrule the decision. Despite criticism of Roe, the Supreme Court reaffirmed its central holding in its 1992 decision Planned Parenthood v. Casey. Although Casey overruled Roe's trimester framework and abandoned Roe's strict scrutiny standard in favor of a more malleable undue burden test. On June 24, 2022, the final opinion of Dobbs v. Jackson overturned both Casey and Roe, one holding, the Constitution does not confer a right to abortion, and that the authority to regulate abortion is returned to the people and their elected